Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about XDC network. XDC coin is a nowadays a trending coin in the market, and a lot of people ask me questions about XDC coin, that please make a video on that. So guys, finally I decided to make a video for all of you. So guys, you have also to click the subscribe button for more updates, for more news about XDC coin. And guys, if you have any question about XDC, so please tell me in the comment box. I will try to answer your question in the next videos. So XDC price in the market is still very low, 0.1229 USD dollar. That is the live price of XDC in the market. The price is still low, and if the price is still low, so that's opportunity with all of you to invest now, because the price is low. And on the other side, if you look the changes, so the changes is also positive. Now that's why I recommend for all of you to invest in XDC coin. Anyways guys, on the other side, if you talk about the price changes of coin XDC, so 3.46% the price change in the last 24 hours. The changes is completely going positive, and now they are in the quick jump. Just look here, my friends, from the price chart. XDC network is now in the quick jump, and I think it's opportunity with all of you to buy now XDC. Possibilities, my friends, that they are going to hit a $1 USD possibilities. That's why, because a lot of people are investing in the XDC network. So guys, invest now. And absolutely, you can see here the pump of the XDC in the front of your eyes. That's opportunity with all of you guys. You can see here the trading volume, 92.02% the price increase. So it's really a trending coin in the market. 92. For first time I saw this type of trading volume, 92%, guys. People are investing in XDC network. So that's really a profitable coin for all of you. Profitable, guys. Invest now more and more XDC and make a huge profit. If you hold just to the last of August, just for 20 days, so guys, I'm sure that they will make you millionaire. Anyways, what do you think about XDC? What is your prediction? What is your opinion? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos.